Let's check this one out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Chevrolet C10 custom cab. I'd consider this one kind of a time capsule or survivor, believed to be original miles, a little over 40,000 on it. Paint code on this truck 4545 AD, which would be vermilion, red with white. So that's still looking very similar to the way it would have back in 1967. It did come with the RV style camper mirrors. As you can see, those have been replaced. And paint does show its age. Don't get me wrong, it's not perfect. It does show its age some, but man, it's got a cool look to it. And listen to this. This is how this truck is equipped. 283 V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, factory AC truck. AC's blowing cold. Let's take a look at this chrome. Headlight surrounds, bright work up front. It's one of those trucks, I wouldn't touch a thing. I would get in, drive it, have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just to take it for a cruise. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on radial tires, wheel covers, great looking wheel cover by the way. And then let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight, and it's not a high gloss paint with clear coat over it. It just fits the look of this truck, believed to be very original. Take a look at the bright work up and down the side. Newer dual exhaust, if you look at the underside pics. Also has new springs in the rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little bit closer here in a bit, but split bench seat. AM radio that is working. There's your white cab top. Check out the old Double Mont Chevrolet sticker in the rear of it, and I believe that's out of Kentucky from back in the day. Chevy experts, anybody from Kentucky watching our videos, let us know about that. Put it down in the comments. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a look at the chrome in the rear. Of course, the Chevrolet insignia across the tailgate. You can see that bed, not in bad shape at all either. Not beat up like a lot of the farm trucks that we see in our area. Full-size spare we set in the back there. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking at this truck. This thing is cool. If you're into this era Chevy truck, maybe just like C10s, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. A little battle wound right there, but that adds to the character if you ask me on this one. When these videos are uploaded to YouTube, the vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. So like I said, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's a few spots where there's a little touch up here or there. But once again, overall, this is just a flat out cool looking truck that definitely has character. You're going to be able to see the tags. So like this door tag right here in with the still pictures. You're also going to see the sticker that would be in the glove box on the glove box door. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. This kind of golden color, if you will. Headliner and visors. What a cool looking interior and in great shape. Like I said earlier, AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes, 283, turbo hydromatic 400 transmission, so automatic transmission. Fired up, let you hear it run. Battery gauge, temp gauge, I'd expect that to be down. It was a cold start. Oil pressure's up over here, and the fuel gauge working. Check this out, tack. It sounds good too. Like I said, I did have the radio working.
Both of this constantly. He's been to, I'm sure, many different venues where presidential
Delco
candidates.
radio. Nicely that door closes, and let's take a listen to this. It even sounds good. I forgot to show you the miles. Again, believed to be original pass-through ownership. 40,336. See this right here, 40,336. Tell you what, judging by the condition, wouldn't surprise me at all. And let's take a look at this engine bay. Underside of the hood. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder and alternator here. Take a look at the writing. Still on the firewall. You can see AC components all here. Blows cold. Battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. Listen how smooth that runs. Just lack of corrosion and rust in this engine bay. Stick around a while, a little bit longer, I should say. Jason's taking this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1967 Chevrolet C10 custom cab. What a cool looking truck. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet C10 with a lot of nice options. This truck has air conditioning that is blowing cold at the moment. Nice, kind of a bronze colored interior, the steering wheel to match. Looks a little more business maybe. It looks good against that burgundy exterior. Factory tachometer right there in the middle, working excellently. Speedometer working. Windshield wipers function on this truck as well. Just a smooth running truck. V8 power. Fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank. The oil pressure almost 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Temperature is 1/3 of the way up the gauge, and the battery is charging over halfway. All of those on factory gauges. Factory radio.
Frankly, I mean, in terms of recent commentary, the way he has
also working well, just like everything else. AC blows out of the center vent and a vent down on each side of the cab for your comfort. Awesome bucket seats with a center fold-up seat in this truck. Looking like new, and they're vinyl to match the dash color. Headliner also, and visors match. Power brakes working very well. Power steering makes it easy to drive. It's got corners as it should. Truck, I should say. This truck corners as it should for a 67 Chevy C10. Smooth acceleration, smooth ride on the road. Just a very well done truck. 1967 C10. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.